clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Johan, Wieb.
now, and my dear, ¿cómo se llamas?
Tina.
No, habla más quieter. Tina? Okay. Now, what part of the world did you come from?
From Chihuahua, Mexico.
Now, what happened? What were you expecting when you came up?
Well, I had no idea. I didn't know what we're gonna do here or something, but well, I don't know what I should say. Like, we just came here to see what you can do.
And what have you found out so far?
Well, I think it's going well. I think you're gonna fix me, or
Well, you had a pretty big accident.
Yes, I did.
Very severe. Mm-hmm. And you got some metal plates in there.
I do, yes.
And we've only been working on you for a few days. But have you seen some results?
Well, little, but I think in the future there will be more. Mm-hmm. That's my goal.
The biggest thing, man, when people look at spinal cord injuries or trauma, they think that just the area of the surgery is the issue. That's not. And the body is built to rewire. It's built to work around those challenges. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But it is a heck of a lot of work.
Yeah, I believe that.
I know. And I bend and turn and twist your hubby a lot. And now, what can you tell? Because so many people, you're full of living tissue, and the brain is constantly adapting, and the body is constantly regenerating, and that's the biggest key. You know, that they think that, you know, there's a trauma and you're done, and that's not the way the world works. That's not how systems work, and you're not following in that. Because we talk about physical, chemical, emotional stress, and, you know, you fix all of those and the body can start to regenerate. Mm-hmm. What would you tell somebody? Like, if you knew yourself a year ago, what would you tell somebody about what you've experienced the last couple of days? Would you say, hey, look, I know you'd probably say start using the foam roll.
Yeah, that's a good start. I already feel different by just using them. Mm-hmm. We'll see what brings the future, right?
Yeah, and that's the key. There's exercises you can do when your legs aren't responding real well, just sitting in a chair. And there's exercises to do to get the curve in the neck back. We got that working. Okay, so there's a ton of stuff you can do. There is always one more option. Okay, what the full recovery is, and this is where doctors get screwed up. They're going to predict. They're going to say, you have this disease, you're going to be dead, or have this, you know, consequences of that disease. And that's not true. Because everybody who's had a trauma, accident, whatever, okay, everybody's an individual. And you have to look at each person's individual physiology, their stress level, everything. And then you start solving that. Then you maximize your regeneration. I was hit by a car and you had a pretty bad accident. Yours was considerably worse than mine. I only broke my sternum and my legs and my skull, which kind of knocks some sense in.
Yeah.
Okay, I was a contractor before. Okay. So when I say it knocks sense in, I think it really did. Okay. and yeah, your body's built by God, and it's designed to heal. What potential is, it's not up to the doctor to decide. Do the best you can and realize that these are divine beings we're working with, okay? And potential is unlimited. Make sense?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. Okay, my dear? I know. Happy guy, happy girl. I know. What could you tell someone that, because they've never been to our clinic in Tijuana? Is it dangerous or safe?
It's safe. That's for sure.
God bless you all. Take care of yourself. And as long as your heart's beating, keep that spark of God. There's a stewardship to the body. Take care of it. God bless you all.